Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ed, this is LeEdFollow, and today we are fitting my HKS Hi Power exhaust to my Nissan 370Z. So I have a video on doing an exhaust on a 370Z, so I'll put the link in the description for that. So this video is going to be a pretty simple one. We'll just take the old exhaust off, put it on in my own time, don't need to film that, you've already seen it. And then do some sound clips. So here is a before sound clip right now. So this is the HKS Hi Power system. It is supposedly the highest amount of performance for least amount of noise system. It has these Helms silencers on it which take out any rasp, but which VQ engines love, and decent sized silencers in the middle, and then just a small H pipe to equalize everything. So it should sound pretty good. I just hope it's not too loud with my high flow cats. But anyway, I'm gonna take the old one off, put this one on, and then we will see what it sounds like. Something that's always worth doing is a new set of gaskets and nuts and bolts. In total these cost me less than 20 quid and will make the job a lot easier and save me any future hassle, hopefully, with blowing exhaust system. So that's the old system off. As you can see, well, ignore the Y pipe, that's an aftermarket Y pipe, but the pipework diameter isn't that much difference. But what the HKS exhaust has not got compared to the stock one is these bottlenecks. So you've got a bottleneck there, and it's all end up here in the end of the Y pipe where the exhaust gases will collide, compared to the HKS where they've just each got their own run straight out, apart from that little H crossover pipe. So I will get the HKS exhaust on and we will see what it sounds like, but hopefully it should sound good. Hey, so different week, being rather busy, weather's been rubbish to do any videos, but different week. Exhaust went on nice and easily, so now we will take it for a drive and tell you what I think, but I love it. So the exhaust is now on. A little bit of a mission. The hangers were not the right length on the rear, so it's hanging a bit low. So I've got some other hangers on it, and I have to say I love it. So we're going to go for a drive now, and you can hear what it sounds like both in the car, and I've got a camera set up on the back, and see what she's like. So this exhaust new, £2,500. When I got it, I thought a little bit expensive for what it looks like it is, but when you fit it to the car, you can see why it is what it is. So I have high flow cats on this car, as you know, and that means most exhaust systems, it makes it too loud for track. So I had the stock exhaust, Cobra wide pipe, Cobra high flow cats, gave it a bit of a noise, but not the deep growl, sort of the deep tone I wanted from this car. Because as you know, VQs are very sort of trombone-y, they're very hard to get a decent exhaust sound out of. But this exhaust achieves exactly what I want. It's brought driving pleasure back to the car, which it was lacking. I was getting a bit bored of it. I didn't enjoy it with a stock exhaust. I like a bit of noise behind me. I like a sort of, I don't know, just, I don't know quite how to describe it, but if you have in a modified exhaust, you'll know what I mean. And performance-wise, it's opened it up quite a bit. I'm not too sure what, but bum dyno was to say probably about 10 horsepower. I've discovered when I took it out for a spin yesterday, I am cyclists. Yeah, when I took it out for a spin yesterday, I discovered I was going a bit faster than I thought I was doing. You know, how I'm used to So what we'll do now is I'll go down to a nice bit of sort of national road, have a little play, and let you hear what this exhaust sounds like. I hope you like it, because I do, and it's my car, so I don't care what you think. But anyway, I'll see you in a sec when we get to the Nationals. Just coming up to the National, use the Synchro Rev. Well, I've got a cyclist up here, but sounds glorious, doesn't it? Now just the cycle man. I love this car, love this exhaust, so happy I got it. Thanks to Lee for telling me to buy it. I sent the link to him. Like, shall I buy this? And he went, yes. So I did. We enable each other like that. So, I'm so happy with this. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Ed, this is LeEdFollow. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ooh, Porsche.